Guys, imagine getting 100% of your gas fees back when you use crypto. Sounds impossible, right? Watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Cold Wallet. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is reshaping how users experience crypto by tackling one of the industry's biggest frustrations: gas fees, right? Now, for years, blockchain promised freedom, but in reality, traders have been stuck paying $30 or more just to complete a single transaction. And that is actually what I hate the most about all the transaction. I mean, don't get me wrong, right? I love crypto because you get to trade, you get to earn profit, but all of those high gas fees, you know, it takes it out of your profit. And once you have like a lot of transactions that you're doing, especially when you're doing trading, those gas fees stack up and it hurts. So Cold Wallet's upcoming CWT token reward system, guys, is flipping this model on its head by offering cashback on gas fees, swaps, and the ramps. Now, top tier users can even recover up to 100% of their gas cost, transforming what was once a burden into a benefit. So just like what I mentioned, guys, getting 100% of the gas fees that you paid, it's not impossible with Cold Wallet. Now guys, the CWT token lies at the heart of this system and its presale is officially live. And I would strongly suggest head on over to their website. That way you would be able to do your own research, get to know them better. What are the benefits? What are the advantages? And what are the value propositions of using Cold Wallet? Because guys, this is a revolutionary way to get all those gas fees back to your pocket. Now, unlike staking models, guys, that require users to lock assets away, Cold Wallet keeps it simple. It holds more CWT tokens, automatically unlocks higher reward tiers, and no complicated process is required. No barriers, just hold and earn once the system goes live. So rewards don't really start in the future, guys. They are already here. Okay, even before that full cashback rollout, Cold Wallet users are already earning that USDT rewards directly from their swaps. And the minimum claim is just at $5, guys, and the payouts are sent instantly to the user's wallet, which ensures that fast, tangible value. Now, if that doesn't entice you, you gotta go ahead and check this one out. Now, on top of that, okay, the referral system is designed for growth and fairness. Now, when the users invite friends, they are already receiving a 20% CWT bonus. And while the referrals will also get 10% of what they are going to be depositing. Now, most importantly, guys, these bonuses come from a dedicated reward pool, meaning there's no dilution of the public allocation. So combined with that existing USDT swap rewards, referrals provide a double earning engine that actually makes Cold Wallet one of the most user-friendly crypto tools available today. So again, guys, make sure to go ahead and head on over to their website. So you could hover your mouse over the presale right here. Click on white paper and it will take you directly here. This is the best way to do your own research, guys, because this white paper has a ton of information that will help you get to know more on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that they would be offering once you are a user of Cold Wallet. All right, so head on over to that. And of course, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. It is at the bottom of their page. You have their Telegram, their Instagram, and their X. You also have it right here. Their X, their Instagram, and their Telegram are all there. You can just go ahead and click on it, and it will take you directly to where you need to be. So stop letting gas fees drain your crypto, all right? Cold Wallet pays you back. And sometimes all of it, right? Now, download the app, guys. Start earning USDT today and grab your CWT tokens early to max out your cashback. Now, if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.